Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. The art of short pips, penhold hitting, and table tennis, a Chinese specialty. Hi, welcome back. Do you know this playing style? Yes, a very unique playing style from China. China has found the next Liu Guoliang. In the world of table tennis, playing styles are as diverse as the athletes who compete at the highest level. One such style that has captured the imagination of fans and players alike is the short pips, penhold hitting technique. This aggressive and dynamic style is predominantly associated with Chinese players and has produced some of the greatest talents the sport has ever seen, such as Grand Slam winner Liu Guoliang. The short pips penhold hitting style is characterized by the unique combination of the penhold grip and short pimple rubber on the forehand side. This combination allows the player to attack with increased speed, precision, and versatility while reducing the impact of incoming spin from the opponent. The penhold grip, as the name suggests, involves holding the racket in a way that resembles gripping a pen. This grip offers numerous advantages, including enhanced wrist flexibility and maneuverability, which are crucial for executing the rapid and powerful strokes that define this style. The penhold grip also facilitates better control over the racket, aiding in blocking powerful topspin shots from opponents.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.